Acknowledging a person's feelings demonstrates empathy before offering solutions. Validating emotions involves recognizing and understanding the other person's feelings. Expressing understanding, such as, "I can see that what happened hurt you," shows emotional recognition. Acknowledging feelings helps build trust and rapport in communication. Empathy involves understanding why someone would feel a certain way. Effective communication starts with acknowledging and validating the other person's emotions. Taking clear responsibility involves acknowledging one's actions without deflection or minimization. Acknowledge the specific action that caused harm to demonstrate understanding and empathy. A sincere apology avoids excuses and focuses on the impact of the action on the affected party. Expressing remorse for how one's actions made the other person feel is crucial for reconciliation. Understanding her perspective begins with actively inquiring about the situation's impact. Demonstrating a commitment to change involves stating specific actions and consistently implementing them. Following through on commitments reinforces trust and demonstrates genuine effort. Reaffirming the connection involves expressing her importance and the desire for a stronger future. Expressing value and appreciation helps foster a sense of security within the relationship. Moving forward with mutual understanding and commitment strengthens the relationship's foundation. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a like and hit subscribe for more insights on communication, relationships, and personal growth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.